Welcome back, students. In this session, we'll be knowing how Sukraj uh, dealt with how Sukraj have been a true friend to the tree, and how Lord Indra have tested Sukraj and his friendship, and how he had emerged victorious, as in how he had won the trust of Lord Indra and showed his true friendship to the tree. So we have known that Lord Indra wanted to test Sukraj, and he had uh, dried the tree fully, so that Sukraj did not have anything to eat from the tree. So what Sukraj did was he did not leave the tree still, and he began to eat the white powder which fell from the pores of the tree and drank the water from Ganga, which was flowing near it. So he looked, in spite of all this, Sukraj looked very happy and contented. So Lord Indra's not he looked quite happy and satisfied. So Lord Indra was very happy by seeing that Sukraj did not leave the company of the tree, and he was also very happy by seeing the friendship which Sukraj was showing towards the tree. So to give Sukraj the last test, Lord Indra transformed himself into a beautiful swan, and by his divine powers, he loaded a tree that stood next to that particular dried tree, and he loaded the tree with fruits, a lot of fruits, and the swan began to live on this tree. So one day, the swan said to Sukraj that your tree had completely dried out. Now you have nothing to eat from the tree. So you can come here, since you can see that this tree has lots of fruits and lots of things. So you can come here and you can have your food, your meal from this tree. So why don't you leave that dry tree? So Sukraj said in return that do you leave your parents when they get old and they are not capable of working as hard as they used to? So this particular reply was made by Sukraj, and he also told that how can I be ungrateful, because he this tree has provided me with fruits when I needed it, and now this tree is not capable of providing any more fruits. But I cannot leave this tree because it had helped me when I was in need. Now it is in need, so I have to be with the tree. So since we also be with our, like, this tree is like a parent, so we also be with our parents when they need us, since they were there for us when we needed them the most. So how can I be ungrateful? So this particular reply have again surprised Lord Indra, and he was very happy at his dedicated friendship, and he transformed himself to his original form. And seeing Lord Indra before him, Sukraj bowed to him and said that, "Oh Lord, I do not have any fruits to offer to you, because this tree has dried up and I do not have any more things to offer to you." So Lord Indra, with a kind smile on his face, said that he was very pleased with the kind of dedicated friendship that you have towards a tree, and he was also very happy at the contentment that this friendship was providing Sukraj with, and he had granted with a important blessing for both Sukraj and the tree, and he said that he will fulfill one wish that Sukraj has. So Sukraj said, "Please make my friend, that is the tree, very healthy again, like before, and load it with fruits." So immediately his wish was granted, and the tree was full of green leaves and fruits. And Sukraj was very happy to see the tree again healthy and green. And the tree, after seeing and listening to this, he also was very grateful and thanked him for his love and friendship towards and dedication towards the tree. Like, the tree had thanked Sukraj for this. So this is a there's a very important as well as very nice moral that we learn from this story, that we should not forget those people who were there in the time of our need. and we should be there for their needs, and we should be also not leaving them behind while we progress towards our future. While we see our good times, we should not forget those who were there in our bad times also. Yes, so that is a beautiful moral that we can learn from this particular story. We will be covering the next story about um, the jealousy a slow killer in the next session. That will be an end to our annual term syllabus. So that will be all for today's class. Go through the chapter and we'll be discussing, I'll be providing you with the question answers in the next class. That will be all. Thank you.